I just found a really nice surprise behind this curtain here. A really nice surprise, actually. Something I was not expecting to see at all. A Henry. A Henry. What make of it? I can't believe I just found a Henry here. I can't believe we have a Henry. We have one of the best vacuums in Britain. Just right here. It's a Henry. Let's take his nose off a second. Just appreciate this Henry here. We have a Henry. I believe this is a 200, it doesn't look like a compact Henry. Let's have a look at this Henry here. No, it is a compact Henry. It was made on the 47th week of 2021. It's got the newer Volex plug with the crappy plastic earth prong. Got your on and off switch here. Interface light. Let's look at the top underneath the side of Henry. There's this lamb motor. Which was an Italian lamb motor. 620 watt motor. Filter. And at the bag, which it's not too full, not too full at all. Like, so that's pretty cool having a Henry. Let's see if one of those. It's even got an air freshener inside the bag, in the filter, sorry, which smells of flower. It smells like lavender. Actually, no, it smells more of vanilla. But yeah, there's his hat. We'll put his bowler hat or his head back on now. I can't believe we just have a Henry just right on our doorstep. That is awesome. Right, we'll put his hat back on now, which is simple as. Especially the new ones, because they've got the he's got the thing at the top to stop his, yeah, you know what I mean. Right, let's try him out. Let's see if he works. I'm sure he will work just fine. No reason why he shouldn't. Let's try this out. Right, that's a good sign. His little red light's on, and now. Awesome. Very strong suctions as well as with Henry. It's got a 3D face. Let's put his nose back on now. Again, I can't believe we have a Henry literally right on our doorstep. I mean, I was expecting maybe just an off-brand Hoover, but not a Henry. It's quite a nice surprise, a Henry. Cool. Right, so that's his thing on. That's his hose. It is a conical hose, which means it's tapered at one end, and so it's wide at the key end than it is at the cuff end. And it's even got, I was not expecting this either. It's got the older cleaner head. Check this out. It's got the vessel work cleaner head, the low energy one with the right, so there's inside here. This has come down for half floor mode. What a nice surprise though. It's even got this big, very freewheeling and smooth caster there. Singular caster. Now we'll put his hose together and then I'll do a little quick demonstration and I'll put him back away since the place has already been cleaned. But having a Henry at the apartment is not so on the other hand is not as expecting. Yeah. Not at all expecting a Henry. Suction control, which at the moment is closed. You won't need to open it because it is just a very low pole carpet. Anyways, we'll give them a quick demonstration and I'll put them away. But there we go. A Henry compact, a compact Henry. A Henry compact or Henry 160, whatever you want to call him. Right on our doorstep at our vacation cottage in Coltishall. Not at all expecting a Henry, but yeah, it is one of the newer whole compact Henrys as well, because the old ones don't have the onboard tool storage. But now we'll pop this away. There we go. But there you go, guys. That's the Henry compact at our apartment in Coltishall, Norfolk, England. Thanks for watching.